TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we've got all the indices trading to the upside. You've got the Dow up 107 points, about 0.4% to the upside. It's the NASDAQ semiconductor. It's up 1 0.6%, and the NASDAQ up 1 0.2%. They're leading the charge out there. Gold's up $19. That's a little over 1%. Silver is up 66 pennies. That is nearly 3% to the upside. Light sweet crude is back $2. Trading out at 38.21 out there. So let's begin by taking a look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500, the number you're going to want to watch today for the close would be 33.54, or approximately that level. That is Stevie's green line. This would be day number 2 with a close above that, and that suggests the S&P 500 wants to continue to run the higher price. Now, the natural question would be, well, where would it run to? In order for us to answer that question, what we would do is try to understand exactly where sellers are positioned. That's the next level of resistance. So to answer that question, what we'll do is we'll just flip over and take a look at the equity futures contracts. And so here I'm going to switch to, in the left-hand panel out here, I've got my synthetic version of the contract, because this is at first, we had a contract roll over a couple of weeks ago from September to December. And so we need enough data in order to really be able to grab weekly profiles, accurate profiles out here. And so don't pay so much attention to the symbol out here, instead the value. So if the S&P 500 closes above the level that I gave you, Stevie's green line out there, here we can see the S&P, or the ES Mini, is trading above the top of its daily profile. Yesterday was doing the same at this time. So you'll want to watch. A close above 33.53 today is communicating to you and I that the ES Mini wants to make a run for 34.17. Now, folks, that could happen overnight and then back off when the cash market is closed. So I don't know the time of the day when something like this might unfold. But the point is that if you get a close in the S&P above the level that I gave you and in the ES Mini above 33.53, that is the formula of success for higher price. And the other aspect of that formula would be that spot volatility index. So the third piece of that puzzle is going to be, where does the spot volatility index close at 4 p.m. today? The 50-day exponential moving average is priced at 26.66. That almost sounds like a devil out there. Price is trading at 26.59. The spot volatility index is below the 50-day. The S&P is above Stevie's green line. The ES Mini is above the top of its daily profile. That's the formula for higher price. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge. If you have to start your, what is today? Thursday. Have a thirsty one. Take care.